Okay, working on finishing some of the pieces. Even though I said previous video I was not gonna paint the other side, all the spare tracks I did, just in case it peeks out. The jack is built. I just gave it a pass of the shade and then I'd go with dry brushing over it. But in this video I wanted to show what I do with the metal parts that are real metal. I go over them. Here's the wire cutters, small hammer, small axe, pike, shackles, shovel. As you can see, they're all dark because I've gone over them with a pass. This is the I think it's armor packs, also a casting. I go over with a shading mix, and then it's like reverse dry brushing, because what I do is that I just dump some solvent here. What I do is remove the shading from the metal parts. I should wear gloves all the time, but for this part, this is so messy that I wear gloves. See, I take the wire cutters, for example, and actually remove the paint. It'll stay. That's what I call it reverse dry brushing, because instead of adding paint to the top parts, I'm removing paint so that there's like a shading in the recessed areas. Pike, no recessed areas there, but if a little bit of the dark stays and remove some of the shiny, the better. In the wooden parts, the same thing, but here the wash becomes the shade becomes like stained. Okay. And also remove it from the metal parts, not completely, but on a piece that is flat like this small hammer. See? So then you get the wood, not the shiny. Should have shown one how it started. Like this, see? That's the natural wood. And here is throwing a pass of the shade, and then with the solvent, the nature alcohol, removing it. Here, the small axe, same thing. I painted everything, and now I removed. I painted a little while ago. I'm not sure if it would do a lot of difference, but look how nice that natural wood looks. Okay, and it looks nice look to it. Shackles, again, it'll keep some of the shading, not much, because it's basically flat. but not as shiny metal as it began. You get the idea. Just realized I didn't take out the tow cables, but the tow cables get exactly the same treatment. Paint them over. Paint them over with a shading mix. And then remove with solvent and paper towel. That's the pike. See, it'll end up a little darker on the edge, which is just what you're looking for. The jack, I would just paint over the same as the fire extinguisher. I have other pieces here. This one I need to get some solvent over it also. This is the barrel cleaning. This is the barrel cleaning gear. This is actually, this kind of came unglued. Have to give it a touch. I will later clamp it there just to make sure it stays. Okay, so now and for a little while, it's just a matter of working the pieces that'll go. There you have the spike, wire cutter, small hammer, small access shackles, pike, shovel, and I have to work on the tow cables more later.